Well, this is what happens to a vent cover on top of a camper when you have branches sticking out and it's kind of old. Okay. It's a little dry rotted. You can see it's been busted for a little while in several spots, but it is what it is. So this cover sort of looked like that. I'll show you what one looks like, but this is brutally bad. Anyway, we're gonna make a new one. Well, half of it anyway. Okay, I got some, I guess it's about 1/4 inch plastic, and I happened to have a piece laying around. It was junk, but it's not now. I cut 3-inch strips off of it, 25 inches long, and that's what I made. I epoxied them together. Okay, put wood here, pre-drilled, so I don't split it. All right, and put it all together so that when I put this up on top, I'll have to have a screen over top of it, and this will be the riser for this top cover, because it broke everything when it went. So yeah, this is supposed to be the top. This is supposed to be permanently mounted to the camper with a screen, a bug screen on it. So that's what I'm going to use. Let's see how it works. There's the top that's supposed to be permanently glued down, and yeah, there isn't a whole lot left of it. So we're gonna take this out and put my piece in as a replacement. And this is the new cover, which is really kind of cheap. It's no wonder it broke. A little bit of sunlight, you can see how dry that is, and it's making marks on my fingers. So yeah, it's been kind of weathered. So that's the way it is. Stuff happens, no problem. We'll fix it. Okay, let me get this done. Okay, I just cut this off. Look, I hope you could see that the dust is that plastic. It just turned to powder. So it's no wonder it broke. But we'll make it better. Let's see. There we go. Now we'll use that. I'll get this all cleaned up with some acetone. Make sure there isn't any loose spots. We'll get this ready to glue down. And this will then set on top. Like that. And that should be the exact same height that it used to be. So hopefully it works. I'm pretty sure it will. It looked like it was kind of loose. So we're going to put all new rubber sealant on there. We got some tubes to use, and we'll make sure that it's 100%. No failures. No failures. Yeah, that's been, you can see all the dirt on there. It's been not making contact for a while. It's okay. We know how to fix this. You can see how dry rotted some of this plastic was. Just barely push on it. It just crumbles. Anyway, cleaned it out. A little bit more down in there. Make sure that it's ventilated. And then we can go ahead and clean all this and put my new piece in. And that should be able to, there we go. Now it fits. See? The other one was 3 inches high to that point. So we should be alright. Same dimensions. Let's get her done. Okay, got the sealant on there. I guess it's some kind of self-leveling fancy schmancy stuff. But there it is. Let that set up, see if it looks like there's any empty spots, and if there is, I'll go over it. Looks better than it did. Well, I guess I should show you that top cover for the vent and see what it looks like when my plastic is painted white. Doesn't look too noticeable. Looks like original from here. There we go. That's what it looks like when you're done.